Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the front snap kick double palm heel combination. We'll have a look at it from the front, we'll have a look at it from the side. All right, we're going to start off in a guard position here. Front snap kick, I set my kicking foot firmly to the floor in front of me. Palm heel, pulling back into my wedge guard, and then shuffle step away to disengage at the end. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's take a look at this from the side now. Again, I'm meeting the attack with my front snap kick, setting it down in front, palm heel to follow up, into my wedge guard, and then I disengage at the end. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let's have a look at that on a kicking shield. We'll apply some force with this. Ms. McConnell, if I could have your assistance, please. All right, we'll start just in a stationary position here. I'm going to kick, set it to the floor in front of me, following up with my 2 palm heels, and then I'm moving away. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll just put it all together in one sequence there. Now the basic idea here is I'm meeting an attacker coming in from the front. So if you would move back and then just come toward me till I stop you with that kick, and go. Here, 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 and then I move away. Once more, and go. There. And then I'm moving away at the end. Thank you, Ms. McConnell. That is the front snap kick double palm heel combination. Thank you very much for joining.